All right, the Olympic Discovery Trail. Ladies and gentlemen, Rex Bear Elite Project, how the heck are you? Beautiful day today here in Northwest Washington. And I just discovered the Olympic Discovery Trail, and we're going to check it out. So, I've got a loaner, if you're wondering what happened to the Rubicon. And we've got the Cervelo. Halo, wear your helmet, and let's ride. Ride on. We are here at the Olympic Discovery Trail and the Cervelo. Halo, look at that. Amazing. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so check this out. Location right there. Super close to Lake Crescent. Started out all the way over here. Got a little bit lost over there and then found out the trail again. Ended up riding on the highway for a bit on the shoulder there. So, pretty cool. Nana, nana.